Welcome back to our deep dive. Today we're looking into something truly perspective shifting.
We really are. It's the book, The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton.
Yeah, the stem cell biologist. And his core idea is pretty radical, isn't it? It challenges, well, a lot of what we thought we knew about health.
It absolutely does. The main thrust is that our beliefs, our thoughts, are actually more powerful than our genetic inheritance.
Which is huge. It means you're not necessarily locked into patterns just because they run in the family or because you've always been a certain way.
Exactly. It's aimed squarely at anyone who feels kind of stuck, limited by things they thought were just hardwired.
So Dr. Lipton, he had this big realization, right, based on his own cell research.
That's right. He discovered something pretty startling working with cells in petri dishes.
Okay, so what was it? If it's not just genes running the show, what did he find?
Well, he found the cells were responding primarily to their environment, not just their internal genetic code.
Environment, like the culture medium in the dish.
Initially, yes. But he extended that concept. For us, the environment includes our internal state, our thoughts, our emotions, our beliefs.
Ah, okay, so not just physical stuff, but our mental and emotional world too.
Precisely. And these aren't just abstract concepts. He frames them as biochemical instructions. Think hormones, neurotransmitters, actual signals telling your cells how to behave.
Wow. Okay, thoughts as biochemical instructions. That's a lot to take in. Is there science backing this up now, like beyond his initial work?
Oh, definitely. This is where the field of epigenetics really comes into play. It fits perfectly.
Right, epigenetics. I've heard of that. It's about how genes get expressed. Yeah.
Exactly. It shows that gene activity, whether genes are switched on or off, isn't fixed. It changes based on signals from their environment.
So like you said, our internal environment, stress, joy, fear, those feelings.
Yes. Yeah. They are the signals. They translate into specific chemical messages that tell your genes whether to be active or inactive. It's like having dimmer switches on your genes, not just on-off toggles.
And we control the dimmer switch with our thoughts and feelings, potentially.
That's the implication. It gives you a level of influence over your biology that, well, it's pretty profound, much more than the old genes or destiny idea.
Okay, so if our thoughts and feelings are sending these constant instructions, how much of that is conscious? Because a lot of my reactions feel automatic.
That's a crucial point. Dr. Lipton emphasizes that the vast majority, maybe 95% of our life is run by the subconscious mind.
95%.
Wow. And that subconscious programming, it mostly comes from our early childhood, say, the first 7 years.
Yeah.
We absorb beliefs from parents, society, experiences, often without any critical filter.
So if you picked up limiting beliefs back then, like I'm not capable or life is hard.
They don't just disappear. They become these ingrained programs like old tapes playing on repeat.
Right. And they run in the background, shaping our health, our choices, our relationships, without us even realizing why we keep ending up in similar situations.
Exactly. It's a key reason why people struggle to change certain patterns, even when they consciously want to. The subconscious program is just overriding the conscious desire.
That makes sense. It can feel like you're fighting yourself sometimes. But the good news, Lipton says these tapes can be changed, right? It's not hopeless.
Absolutely not. That's the most empowering part of his message. These subconscious beliefs can be rewritten.
Okay, so how? What does he suggest? What does this mean for you listening?
Well, he talks about several approaches, things like conscious affirmations, deliberately feeding your mind new positive statements to counteract the old ones.
Like actively installing new software.
Kind of, yeah. And visualization, vividly imagining the reality you want to create. This helps create a new neurological and biochemical template.
Okay.
And he also highlights specific techniques from energy psychology, like PSYCHK, for example. These are methods designed to communicate directly with the subconscious and rapidly change limiting beliefs into supportive ones.
So tools exist to actually get in there and do the reprogramming.
Yes. The point is, you have agency. You can consciously choose to update those old programs.
Which brings us back to this idea of untapped power. How much control do we really have over our biology through our beliefs?
Potentially a tremendous amount. Lipton's work suggests your beliefs aren't just mental fluff. They are, quite literally, embedded in your physiology.
Wow.
So when you genuinely start to believe differently, when you internalize a new, empowering perspective, you actually start sending different biochemical signals. You start healing differently, living differently.
This video is presented by International Psychology Association. Follow us for more psychology updates.